Okay, last question. It's just like our last one. We have 4x squared minus 4. And it's saying we want this to be 1-to-1, which means we only want half of the parabola. We want to cut it in half. So we go down to the vertex. Haha, this time it's nice. It's right in the middle at x equals 0. So if I take my domain and I only have positive values, do you see it just got cut in half? So x is greater than 0. And I saw that by looking at the x value on the vertex. Okay, so how we write that in interval notation, a graph that starts at 0 and then goes to infinity, those are our two numbers for our interval. 0 to infinity, infinity has parentheses, 0 is a point on the graph, so it's a bracket. Then we want to find the inverse. So I'm going to replace f of x with y, switch x and y, and then solve for y. So add 4, and then I'm going to divide by 4, but before I take the square root. Okay, you want to get y squared by itself before you take the square root. Now I'm going to take the square root, and that's my inverse. So the square root of x plus 4 divided by 4. And see if I graph y equals x, how it flips over that line, and it kind of creates a cool design. So my interval goes from 0 to infinity. And then the square root, oh, that doesn't work. I'm doing it like I'm in Desmos. Square root of x plus 4 divided by 4. And you want to make sure it matches like how you have written down. See how I have everything under the square root? Everything under the square root.